Okay, so I'm here with my daily driver, a Nissan Pulsar. It's getting on in the kilometres, and as you can see, there's a little bit of smoke coming out at idle. When you give it a rev, it blows a bit of smoke. So we're going to see if Nulon engine stop smoke actually really works. It's supposed to be pretty good. The picture here shows smoke coming out like mine. When you rev it, it's all white like this, so we'll see if this actually does anything. Okay, so my Pulsar is a 4-cylinder engine. On the back here it says to use half a bottle for 4-cylinder engines, and for 6 to 8 cylinder engines use a full bottle. Now it says to warm your engine up first, have it at your normal operating temperature. I've had it idling away there, so it's up to normal operating temperature. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put this in and we'll see what happens. It's good, it's got a nice long pourer there, so I want half a bottle. It is labelled down the side, which is handy. What is it, 450, 500 mils, so 250 mils. It's very thick, so it's making a big mess. A little bit more. And there we have it. Now it does say on the back, don't go over 10% treatment level in the oil in the sump, so I was just going to pour the whole thing in and see what happened. Might do that if it doesn't work. Got nothing to lose, but for the moment, half the bottle. The instructions now say nothing. So I'll give it a bit of a run and we'll see if it stops blowing smoke. So at the moment I've just got the car idling so it can circulate the product through the oil. We'll give it a few revs and see if it's blowing any smoke. Okay, so we're here at idle. It appears at idle that it's not blowing much smoke. I'll give it a shot when I rev it. There's a little bit coming out there now. I'll go and give it a rev and we'll see what happens. So, with a bit of a rev, it's still blowing smoke. I'm going to take it for a drive and just see how it goes over a bit of time. So it's now been a day. It was still smoking after I took it for a drive, after putting the engine stop smoke by Nulon in it. I took it for a drive up the road and it was still smoking, as you saw on the video. Let it sit overnight. The next day I took it for a drive and absolutely no smoke. This stuff's amazing. I'll start it up and let you see. As you can see, nothing. There was blowing clouds of white smoke out before. Would highly recommend Nulon engine stop smoke. It's a great product. I've been driving it now for a couple of days. No smoke coming out the back. Brilliant product. I'll just shut the car down. You probably did see a slight puff of smoke. That's excess fuel burning off because I gave it a bit of a rev. Have not seen any smoke in the last 2 days since I've been driving it now, and I only used the half bottle for the 4 cylinders. Remember, as it says, for the 6 to 8 cylinder engines, put the full bottle in. Absolutely amazing. Can't believe it actually worked. Even though on the bottom here, where is it? It says if it blows blue smoke constantly, it indicates excessive piston ring wear blah blah blah. If it keeps smoking after you put it in, then there's obviously some more engine damage. Now, I was blowing a lot of smoke and put this in. Extremely impressed with this product. I'd give it like a 9 out of 10, possibly even 9.5. Guys, if your engine's smoking, definitely give a Nulon engine stop smoke a go. It might get you out of trouble and keep that car going. Have fun, guys.